What's up, everyone, and welcome back. It's your boy D Fresh in the building. Just wrapping up another day in the market and another wild one that we had. Man, we had green in the morning. When we woke up, we seen the SPY booming into making all new highs. We had Tesla booming it, but soon as the market opened up, we know what plays do when they in all-time highs. Wall Street tried to pull that thing back, so we had that early dip. And SPY, Tesla had the little surge and then they had to pull back. But family, make no mistake about it, we still bullish. A lot of these plays really weren't going to go super crazy because of the events that we have going down tomorrow. We'll talk about that, stocks, and more here in a second. But before we jump into it, y'all do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. All right, family, we have a wild one coming up on Wednesday. We got Fed Powell in the building with that rate decision. And we have some heavy hitters that report after the bell. We have Meta, we have Microsoft, and we have Google. These are tickers that will move the market. And again, they report Wednesday at the bell. Buckle up, settle in. It's about to get crazy. Newbies, beginners, y'all come on up to the table. First one out of the gate is going to be ticker symbol SOFI. As you see, and this one right here, they're sitting at 31.40. If you are a bull, you want to see them recapture these tops right here at 32 bucks before they make their move to the higher stuff. To the downside, you want to see them get back up under this area right over here at 30.85. They can do that right there. They can slow start grinding this thing back down. You got 30.10 in play. Next level down, you got 20.70, and then boom, they coming back down to this 29.10. All right, advanced traders, y'all come on up. First one for you guys is going to be ticker symbol HOOD. And this one right here, they're sitting at 146.20. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than 148.20. If they can do that right there, the next push up is going to be to this 150.10, and then boom, you got 152.75 in play. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than 145.55. They can do that right there. Their next push down is going to be this area down at 143.70. They lose that right there. They're going to push this thing down. You got turbulence at 141.65, but their mission is going to be down to this 140.80 before they get any turbulence. If they weak, check this out. Boom, they coming down to 137.20. You might want to check this area over here. This may give some take profit area. They may play with it, premium burn, until they next drop down to this 137.10. So there you go. And hood, next ticker up is going to be ticker symbol PLTR. I told you guys earlier in the week, they needed to get past 183. And once they got past 183, that's when they was going to shake the bears. When they was up under that area, 178, we seen the rockiness in there. They just didn't have nothing going on. As soon as we was able to get past that 183, they ran this thing all the way up to 190. That is a great run. And Palantir, if you are a bull in this one, you want to see them open up higher than 191.85. If they can do that right there, they can keep pushing this thing up to the higher stuff. That will put 193 in play. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than 187.70. If they can do that, you got some turbulence at 186.80. Next level down is going to be this 185.85, and then boom, you got 184.40 in play. Next level after that, you got 182.10. There you go in that one. Big baller shot callers, y'all come on up. We got ticker symbol SPY. And this one right here, you see, we opened up this session really strong. Then they gave us that pullback. But we know that's what happens when these plays run high. We just got to weather the storm and make sure they don't violate any key areas that we pay attention to. And I told you guys in the Discord, we still bullish in this one. And you see what they did. They chopped, and then, man, we start getting busy. We got above that 9 EMA, my yellow line, and man, they just kept pushing this thing up. And of course, you have Power Hour, an hour that I don't play in because I know how Wall Street like to manipulate the game. And you see that's what they did. They gave you that little sell-off right the end of the day. So if you are a bull in this one, you want to see them open higher than 688.95. They can do that. We gonna be knocking on that 690 door and higher. To the downside, if you are a bear, you want to see them get back to these levels right here at 684.80. Next level down, you got 683.95, and then boom, you got 683.20. Turbulence down to about 682.10. We lose that right there. We coming all the way back down to this stuff right here, 678.50. Family, do not rule that out, especially what we got on the horizon tomorrow. We got Fed Powell in the building. We know what he can do to the markets. If Wall Street rocking with his report, man, we might even see 700s tomorrow. If they are not rocking with it, man, we could be looking at levels way back down here at 670. So it can go either way. This guy pumps and dumps the market like no other. So just make sure you have that somewhere locked in, that if I'm thinking about swinging a play through the Fed Powell, if I'm thinking about grabbing an option or call or a put, this is what may happen to that put or call if I'm wrong. If you right, man, we're going to get that candle going up. If you playing calls, it could be really nice, but it could be really bad if you're wrong. I don't like playing guessing games right there. That ain't my cup, but to each his own. You are the CEO of your own portfolio. You make the best business decision based on what your account says to do. You do it and stick to it, live it, love it, and move on. Next ticker up, we got ticker symbol TSLA. And this one right here, how about those decision-making levels? Man, those things are crazy. We see once they get to those areas, I sit back and I'm just letting you know, hey, this is where we had it right here. We need to break through this area. 465.20 was not going to be a picnic to get through. You got to knock on this door a few times before they break that down, because that's what makes it a decision-making level. It is such an important level because their next push up is going to be to this 473.60 in gear to boom, running that thing up to 488.20. I'm telling you, it's almost like a perfect storm. If Fed Powell stuff is favorable, it's gonna push the market. And we know Tesla have a mind of its own. Sometimes market can be pumping, Tesla can be dropping. But I'm telling you, got a good feeling about Tesla. If everything else pumping, it's a good chance of us seeing this 488 level. But again, we don't guesstimate in here. We only follow what the chart suggests. And that's the only thing that I throw out when I'm breaking down these tickers and giving you the technical analysis breakdown behind the play. I'm not giving you how I feel about a stock. I'm giving you what the charts is telling me that this particular play has the potential to do once it get past certain levels. So if you are playing this one, you need to see a clean break through this 465.20 area. If they can do that right there, it looks like they formed some type of support, some type of area right here that's gonna cause some friction at 467.05. That would likely be your next push, or you want to see them open higher than this area. That'll give you confirmation that next level up is 473.55. To the downside, you want to see them get under this decision-making level at 459.20. If they can open up lower than that right there, that puts all this stuff down here back on the table. 455, next level down, you got 450.70, turbulence at 447.05, and then boom, you already know, right back to 439.40. How many times have we seen that level already? All right, family, again, just want to put it out, because I know some people will miss this. We got Fed Powell in the building. If you are in any plays leading up into 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, understand what could happen to your plays if you decide to ride through that thing. The violent swings up and down is going to be insane. And then when he get to the podium at 2:30, you got more insane price action. So I'd rather sit back, wait for a clear direction, and then get busy. But again, you do you. I'm out here just trying to navigate some of the water. That way you can be able to see the picture just a tad bit clear. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. But hey, if you out there and you trying to trade in this crazy market, this market isn't easy. A lot of people think that they can do this and it's just that easy, or it's a get rich overnight scheme. It's not. It takes time, dedication, and tons of patience. If you need just that extra little bit of confidence, y'all come see us in the Discord over here. Love to have you. For everybody else, I can't wait to see you tomorrow morning. We back at it. Until then, if you like sniper tight, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, HUT, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join us in the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it.